Do you want to learn how to get more massage clients and keep them without spending a ton of money on ads? Then watch this video. Hey, my name is Amanda and welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. I help holistic healers market their business online so they can earn more money and help more people. So if you're interested in learning more about marketing your business online, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos. And in this video today, I'm going to be talking about a certain style of online sales funnel and as well how to get people into it. So first of all, you might be asking, what is a sales funnel? It's basically just today's modern marketing tool that we use online to attract people that we don't know into our business. And it works by leading them step by step through the things we need them to do to be able to know, like, and trust us before they actually book or buy from us. So in today's video, I actually just want to use a case study of a Reiki practitioner to show you how this can actually work for your business. First, I just want to start off by saying the website is dead. If you're looking to get people from online and get them into your business, you need a sales funnel. Second thing is, don't worry so much about the design. Nobody actually really cares that much. All they want is to know that you're going to provide them with some value, some awesome service, and that you're credible. Let me know down in the comments below, do you already have a website? So why don't we dive into the computer here and I'll show you how the whole thing works. So for this particular situation, this practitioner is new to the industry. And so for that reason, she didn't have a lot of testimonials to kind of sell people on. So what we decided to do was to set up a free 30-minute session for brand new clients. And so basically the way that it works is this. Opt-in page, booking page, an email sequence. So when someone opts in for your valuable free thing, they get put onto an email sequence. And this is how you warm up people that are coming to your business that don't know you, they don't trust you, and essentially they just want to make sure that you're credible. So essentially, the email sequence works in the background by following up with the prospective client and simply by sending them some valuable information. So for example, if you're a massage therapist and you know that there are certain things that people can do at home to help relieve certain muscle tension or something like that, that could be a technique that you share in your email sequence. So for example, maybe there's a stretch that you give some of your clients, and this is great for easing neck tension. Now, don't worry about the fact that you're giving something that you normally ask in return for payment away for free, because that is actually what's going to help get people into your business. So essentially the way that it works is that you show them that you're an expert by providing them with this kind of information. And of course, inside each email, you will have a link back to your booking page. So with that being said, let's have a look at this opt-in page, and you see that they're giving away a free 30-minute session for new clients. Now you're probably asking, well, how do we know if they're new and if they're not? I'm going to show you a really cool trick. So basically when someone clicks on the button, they fill in their information and then they get sent a series of emails that help them with healing tricks at home. Then as soon as that's submitted, they get taken to a thank you page. And the thank you page actually puts a little cookie in their web browser. It's almost like putting a little tag in their browser so that when they return back to this page, the browser can say, hey, this person has been tagged already, and this is how much time has passed. And so you'll see that we have a timer on here. And so we're creating a little bit of urgency for people. Once that timer runs out, they can no longer book this complimentary session. They're automatically redirected to this other version of the thank you page, which says, hey, your offer is expired, but not to worry, you can still book with me. And so that's the next thing that I want to touch on is the booking packages. Now, this is something that I would highly recommend for you to do to set yourself apart from the other therapists in your industry. And that is by creating a lead offer, something irresistible that sets you apart from everyone else. So if we look at, this person, for example, it's not just a Reiki session. They are getting a full body Reiki flow. They're also getting aromatherapy. They're getting a healing crystal grid. They're getting an actual crystal that they can take home. And the perceived value to the customer is worth almost $500. But the package to book it is only $117. So that's a really great way to set yourself apart from other practitioners. And I know that it might be a little bit difficult to kind of get your mindset out of the traditional way of booking people in, which is, X amount of time for X amount of dollars. And really the reason why we do this is not only to set yourself apart, but also so that you can become more scalable, right? So this is a way that you can actually charge more money for the same amount of time because the value that the customer perceives is higher than what they're actually paying. Now, the next question is, how do we get people into this sequence or sales funnel? Well, some of the best ways to do that is, first of all, to create a lot of content revolving around your specific specialty. So, for example, again, going back to, stretching techniques for massage, that could just simply be benefits of massage. They could be stretching techniques. They could be, ways that you can increase intimacy with your partner through massage or something like that. And basically what you want to do is you want to create content regularly. So especially if you don't want to spend money on ads, I would highly suggest doing content daily, but I know that's unrealistic for some people. So minimum 3 times per week is the best. And there's 3 types of mediums that you can create content on. First one is blogging, which if you have no website or no blog, I would recommend to use medium.com. Second thing is audio. So simply just creating a podcast. Now, don't worry, it's not that difficult. You can literally do it from your phone. There's an app called Anchor FM, and you can just record right on your phone. You can build your podcast and you can blast it out to all the different types of podcast platforms. And the third way is video. There's a lot of different platforms that you can choose to post your videos on. The 2 that I would recommend to start off on would be YouTube and Facebook. If you do Facebook, I would recommend that you do a public Facebook business page because then you can share your link all around the internet and everyone can see it. And lastly, another big thing that you can do, especially if you want local clients, which if you're in massage, I'm pretty sure you do, is just optimizing your business on Google Business. So if you just type into google.com, Google Business, it's going to come up with Google My Business, which is where you can go and enter your business into Google search engine so that you come up when people are searching for a massage therapist in your area. Your business will end up showing in the places that are in that person's local area. And of course, you can link back to your page. You can set your hours. You can also get your clients that you get in to leave you a review so that people are more likely to see your listing and want to book with you. So I hope that you found this useful. If you want a little bit more in-depth information, I would highly recommend that you grab my free marketing blueprint for holistic providers. That is down in the description below. And I'm actually working on a free training that goes along with the blueprints. So be sure to click that link down there and get your copy. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.